Here we go. Gonna remove this motor. It's a 144 inline 6 Ford motor out of this Mercury Comet. Bolts, some wires and stuff, cables, stuff. This exhaust manifold. Unscrew this and space. Motor mounts, gas lines. Taking the whole transmission out, so I'm just gonna disconnect the U-bolt back there, right behind the transmission. I'm gonna remove the whole drive line. It's all coming out, and I'm gonna put in here into this 1962 Comet. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in another inline 6 that I got out of a 74 Maverick. So it'll be a little more powerful. It'll have a C4 transmission and a new drive line and a new rear end, an 8-inch rear end instead of the 7 1/4. So that's what's going on here. Here's the other motor. This is it. It was running. I pulled over with it and the front end was smashed up on the car. So I bought the car and same time. Got the drive line back here. So that's what we're doing. First to get the motor out.